Hi guys, today we are going to replace the PCB for the Asko dishwasher of different model. So last time we posted a video for a different model, so this one the PCB lies at the bottom of the dishwasher and the last time it was in the top of the dishwasher. So for this dishwasher, when we replace the PCB we also need to do the reset 1 and reset 2, which we are going to show you how to do it in the end of the video after we replace the PCB. So the last one, the previous video, we did not have to do the hard reset, so it was easy and then not confusing one. So but for this one we really have to do the hard reset for 2 times for this dishwasher to make things going on good. So for that we need to take the bottom panel out from the dishwasher so that it will be easy for us to work on it, and also we really have to push up the dishwasher to take the bottom cover out, and then we have to take the back cover out as well for the dishwasher so that it will be really easy for us to work on it. Otherwise it will be time consuming and will hassle a lot in. So after taking the 2 panels out, we need to take some couple of wire from the control board, and we just need to unlock the control board so that we can push it towards the front side, and then we can work on it from the front side. So to get a better access, we just take the back side wire out so that it will not be hindering us to take the board to the front side. So as you can see, it is a little bit struggling job. So now I already take the board in the front side, and now I'll be working on to take the wire out and put the new control board. So for the safety and precautions, you can always take the pictures of those position of the wire, but it doesn't really matter because the clip doesn't go on the other positions, but it will be easy and you doesn't look stress when you take the pictures for you. So that is always a better idea to take the picture before taking out those cables from the PCB. So now I have taken out the pictures just to show you guys, just to make you feel more comfortable while you take out those wires from the PCB. So we are actually replacing the PCB for this model because customer is getting a F12 error in the dishwasher, which can be two things: either a PCB and like a set breaker or flow meter sensor for the Asko dishwasher. So it's always a better idea to call a technician to diagnose it properly, otherwise you will be losing good money for the dishwasher. But if you are really know if the F12 error is is occurring intermittently, then definitely is going to be a PCB. So for this customer, the F12 error was going on intermittently and is working 5 out of 10 time. So we were going to replace a PCB for this dishwasher. So as you can see, I already put the wire back into the position in the new control board, power control board. So here I'm just seeing the picture I have already took in my phone, and then just putting it in the control board. Here for the hints, there will be a color code. As you can see, a orange color, so the orange color goes on the same side of the control board, and the green color on the top side, and the blue color on the back side. So as you can always decide which are the wires going on the side of the dishwasher. Now we are putting it back, so now there will be all the wires connecting to the PCB, so it will be a little bit harder, and then some wire will be tangled on the screw or hinges of the dishwasher. So you always need to be careful not to damage the PCB. So after this, now we just need to put the wire from the back the remaining wire from the back, which we have taken from the back, and then you can always lock the control panel to the side of the PCB. So now I already put the wires and everything, so now I'm closing it, and like just the same process you have done it earlier to take the the PCB out from the dishwasher. So you just need to put back everything in a reverse order. So now the main thing is we need to do a setup for the first time. So as you can see, like this is a first time setup. So first time setup, always there will be always a like paper which will be instructing you how to do it. So basically the first time setup, it will be a same thing. So you just can do a okay with the third button in the picture, but for the reset you just need to press the two buttons, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 in a 10 seconds interval of time to get the failed error out or failed readout things, and you just need to do a first hard reset, and then just put a start, hit a start button and close the door. And for the second one also is the same thing, and you just need to choose the second one and close the door. Now it will do a draining and everything. The first reset will just do the caliber things for all the things. So this is all about it. Thank you for watching us.